para bago tayo mag-question and answer at this point, Jean, pwedeng palabasin mo na si Pastor Apollo Kibuloy at ang kanyang mga kasama. Pakibasa na lang isa-isa kung sino yung mga kasama niya. Paki-enumerate na lang, please.
Pastor Apollo C. Kibuloy, Jacqueline Roy, Crescente Canada alias Enteng, Ingrid Canada and Sylvia Semanyes.
Okay? Okay na po. Pakilabas na lang, Jean, please. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Now we will proceed with the question and answer. Each of you will be given one